Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use the Krayin CRM. But since I cannot really access the full feature of this tool because this tool is not available on my region, but I am going to show you still the different uses of this one. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to search for krayincrm.com and it redirected to this section. So you just have to start a project, okay? So you'll be able to see the benefits of the Krayin CRM. So I'm going to show you this different information. So starting off here on the industries, we have the B2B CRM, we have the B2B CRM, the automotive CRM, and other CRM. So there are many CRM that you can use here. So we are going to explore the event CRM. Okay, so just click on this one, and then right here, these are the benefits of the event CRM. So effective event management is a key to creating unique experiences. So with the right event management software for planners, you can streamline planning, execution, and coordination, ensuring every detail is perfect for a lasting impression. So increase efficiency, improve communication, enhance customer engagement, and data-driven insights. So now, here, why CRM is crucial for the event management. So Krayin CRM tackles key challenges in event planning with its event management software for planners. CRM software for events provides an easy platforms for streamline your event planning, improve communication, and ensure smooth event execution. Okay, here centralize the data management for event management CRM. So the event management CRM software brings all your event data together in one easy to use platform. It includes the key details like attendee information, event schedules, and resource management. So, with everything in one place, you can easily access and manage all your event details without worrying about them. Next is the Event Management CRM, Automatic Marketing Campaign. So the current Event CRM software simplifies marketing with easy tools for managing campaigns and sending emails. It also helps to target specific audience group. Next is the Event CRM software efficient ticketing and registration. So the Crane Event CRM software makes ticketing and registration easier and faster with the custom web forms. It also helps reduce errors in the process. Your attendants can instantly register online and you can track them. Next is the Event CRM software enhanced customer support. So Event Management CRM software improves customer service with tools like voice over internet protocol, live chat, and customers feedback system. Automated responses ensure every inquiry is handled perfectly. Next is the detailed analytics and reporting for Event Management CRM. So the current event management CRM software offers powerful analytic tools to help you understand how your events perform. You can review detailed reports, engagement, and financial outcomes. Next is the event management CRM seamless collaboration. So the current event management CRM software makes team collaboration easy with tools for real-time communication and task management. These features ensure that everyone on your team stays connected and informed, making it easier to work together smoothly. So here, getting started with Krayin CRM for event management. So you just have to download the Krayin CRM, install the software, set up the basic details, import your data, customize your CRM, and monitor your CRM. Next one is we have here the let's try the maybe manufacturing CRM or the marketing CRM. So let's go with the marketing CRM. Okay, so here the marketing CRM software, Krayin marketing CRM software helps you manage your business. So the benefits of marketing CRM software: streamline campaign management, email marketing, enhanced customer grouping, and scalable marketing operations. Here is the marketing CRM email templates. The Krayin marketing CRM software offers a variety of customizable small templates to simplify your communication. Okay, so that's for the email templates. Next one is we have the CRM for marketing automated workflows. So the Krayin marketing CRM software makes your marketing easy with automated workflows. Automate tasks like sending follow-up emails and tracking customer interactions. Next is we have the marketing CRM leads. So we have here the global transport. You'll be able to see here the preview. So the Krayin Marketing CRM software helps you to manage leads effectively, track, nurture, and convert leads. Next, Marketing CRM customer support. So the Krayin CRM for marketing software, you can deliver top-notch customer support. You're going to use tools like Krayin, voice over internet protocol, and live chat to respond quickly and solve issues effectively. So transform marketing with Krayin CRM. Next one is we are going to explore the banking CRM. Okay, so for the banking CRM software, we have here the benefits of the CRM in banking industry: enhance decision making, improve the customer insights, and then efficient risk management and hassle-free collaboration. Your banking CRM customer relationship enhancement, personalized communication. We have loyalty programs and then feedback integration. So you just have the customer interaction to each customer's needs with Krayin Banking CRM software. By customizing, you build a stronger relationship with your customers. Next, we have the optimized workflow and the automation for banking CRM. Workflow automation, automate a routine task to decrease manual work. This helps you focus more on important banking activities and reduce the errors. Next is the banking CRM sales and marketing integration. Unified strategies, the Krayin CRM software where banks connect your sales and marketing activities so you can send consistent messages and engage customers. Next is the data security and compliance for banking CRM. Secure protections. The Krayin Banking CRM software uses advanced security measures, including the access control list, to ensure precise management of user permissions and safeguard sensitive data. And then the regulatory compliance and, of course, risk management. Okay, so the next one is maybe we are going to get the information of the real estate CRM. Okay, so for the real estate CRM, the benefits of the real estate and property CRM software: marketing through email, decisions based on data, and categorize customers, and data-driven insights. So basically, the Krayin CRM is a free and open source customer relationship management system that is built on Laravel, a popular PHP framework designed for small to medium-sized businesses. Krayin helps manage customers' interaction, sales pipelines, leads, and follow-ups in an organized and efficient way. Its clean, user-friendly interface makes it accessible even for those without deep technical knowledge. So one of the Krayin's main advantages is its customizability. Since it's an open source, businesses can tailor the system to their unique needs. It includes essential CRM features like lead management, contact management, activity tracking, email integration, and rule-based user access. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.